Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to talk about 4 new fragrances from Platinum Perfumes. Now in case you don't know, Platinum Perfumes is a dupe house in India and they create these amazing fragrance dupes of very high-end perfumes like the designer perfumes or even the Middle Eastern fragrances which are expensive in nature. They kind of create dupes for everything. The perfumes that are available for like 10,000, 12,000 in India, Platinum Perfume is actually making them available for you in the range of 150, like as less as 150. They have 10 ml, 30 ml, 50 ml sizes available, and the price range is from like 120, 150 to around 800, 900. So under 1,000 rupees, this dupe house is just doing wonders, and its origin is India. They use perfume oil concentration of more than 30%, so their perfumes are very potent. They are long lasting, they are suitable for Indian weather, and these are projective and the sillage is great. If you're on a budget, you want to sense what designer fragrances are all about, what's the hype, why are they so expensive, just to know what the scent profile is, and then kind of experience the scent profile and then go for a bigger bottle of actual designer fragrance is what I usually recommend. So I have 4 new variants from Platinum Perfumes today. Let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. That was a long intro, but never mind. I really don't know if you're like a new subscriber or a returning one, so it's my kind of like duty to tell you what the brand is about, because many people are not aware of these Indian dupe houses that are available. We are all just running behind those Middle Eastern dupes, which are kind of now in the range of 2,000 to 3,000. अब वो भी affordable नहीं रह गए, by the way, but the presentation, the quality and all of that, so we are running around them. But India has so many lovely dupe houses to explore, and I'm just on the hunt of that. Like, I love exploring new dupe houses in India. Platinum Perfumes तो मैं बहुत time से use कर रही हूँ, and I literally have more than 20 bottles with me, and I have almost emptied around 20 plus. Okay, so I really go and check out their catalog to know what releases they have, and I immediately place my order almost every month. Alright, enough blabbering. The first one is called as La Belle. Now this one is a inspired version of Jean Paul Gaultier's La Belle fragrance. La Belle is one of the most famous designer fragrances from JPG, and for all the good reasons. It's like fruitiness meeting some florals and some animalic, some sweetness to it. Very unique scent profile and very gorgeous vanilla in itself. Now this one opens up with pear and bergamot, so has like a fruity and zesty kick to it in the opening, and then in the mid notes it has floral notes with some leather. This is where you get the kick in this fragrance. The leather usage here is just done to perfection. It's not too animalic, it's not too raw, it's like a very nice kind of like a suede effect going on in this perfume. Then it has vanilla, vetiver, amber and musk. So a lot of warmth being added by vanilla, musk and amber, and then vetiver is adding a nice woody and clean and freshness in this perfume. This is such a well-rounded fragrance in itself, and leather done right. I think this is where the teriyaki also draws some inspiration. Like, I feel like Paris Corner ka Khair confection, then this teriyaki, Latafa teriyaki, sultry prayer from Zara, all of those have that similarity and similar DNA to this one. But this is the real deal. Like, this is the first origin of this pear florals meeting leather combination. This is very potent, lasts for around 7 to 8 hours on me. Projection and sillage is amazing. You know what, all of these Platinum Perfumes will have the similar kind of longevity and sillage and performance, so I may not repeat it. Just want to let you know, these give you around 7 to 8 hours, and projection and sillage is loud. Be really mindful on the number of sprays that you're using. Next one is my personal favorite, and this is one of my signature scents, and this one is Escada by Magnetism. So difficult to find in India now. Escada is like sold out in most of the stores, and even if it is available, and the whooping price is 5,000, 6,000, so on and so forth. I really love this scent profile because it's very balanced. It is fruity, it's floral, it's green, it's aromatic, it's very different, and it's not for everyone. This is not a safe blind buy. Magnetism is an experience. This perfume takes you on a journey. It has so many notes that, you know, I'll just leave it on the screen for you to check out. It's crazy, the amount of notes that are present here. It's literally crazy. Has a fresh fruity blast opening with berries, blackcurrant, casey, lychee, pineapple, melon. Lots of floral nuances in the mid with some green elements and basil, and then has sweetness of caramel, patchouli, benzoin, musk, sandalwood, amber, vetiver. There is so much going on in this fragrance. It's one of the most complicated perfumes in my opinion, and this is definitely one of my signature scents for all the good reasons. This is hyper performing. This performs so well. It is addictive. The dry down is gorgeous, and whenever I wear this, I get tons of compliments. Like, this is a compliment magnet, and you know, everyone seems to love this one. You really need to like greens in your perfumes to appreciate this one. It's not a safe blind buy, but it is my favorite, and I really want you guys to experience uniqueness. The next one is a dupe to Latafa Khamra Kahwa. Now, Latafa Khamra Kahwa is also available in India, very easily available, but it's in the range of 3,000 rupees. And if you are not sure that, you know, if you want to plunge in and buy a 3,000 rupees ka bottle, you may actually go and try this one in 10 ml, which you can get it for 150 or under 200. Now, Khamra Kahwa is a very warm, spicy, sweet, coffee heavy fragrance. This has cinnamon, cardamom and ginger, praline, candied fruits and white flowers, vanilla, coffee, tonka bean, benzoin and musk. So yeah, from the notes breakdown, you already know this one is like a very spicy, sweet, warm fragrance. Dates are not mentioned here, but I do get that sticky dates as well in this, and a lot of creaminess along with coffee elements. Now, this is again not a safe blind buy. This is a very warm fragrance. So if you're living somewhere in Hyderabad like me, or somewhere where it is very hot, Kahwa is a little difficult to wear during daytime. Usually I wear it during evening and nighttime, and this is a kind of scent which feels like a warm hug. It's like kind of like sexy and romantic in its way, and this is something which is like Netflix and chill kind of a fragrance, and it really goes well with, you know, dinner dates and special occasions and family get-togethers. So this is more or less like a occasion specific scent for me, and not an everyday scent, and this is also not a safe blind buy. But this one again is a massive performer, and you know, the scent trail that this one leaves is very intoxicating. This is also quite unisex in nature. The last perfume that I want to talk about is from Dolce & Gabbana, Devotion. Now, you know, if you are someone who is into lemon gourmands, you do not want to miss out on this scent profile. This is like zesty, vanillic, slightly powdery, slightly boozy kind of a fragrance. It opens up with candied lemons, goes into panna cotta, orange blossom and rum, and base notes of vanilla. Dolce & Gabbana Devotion is one of the sources to bring like the lemon gourmands into the perfume industry, and after people experienced this fragrance, they just went crazy, and so many companies have released lemon gourmands. This is a perfect summer gourmand to be worn because it's not too sweet, not too less sweet, somewhere which is very balanced. This literally feels like you have taken slices of lemon with the peel, dipped it into rum and left it for sun drying, and you know, poured some sugar crystals on top of it. So it's like a very typical kind of like a candied lemon toffee situation going on, which is kind of sun dried. So it's sweet, it's candy like, it's gourmand, and it's just perfect for summer. So that was everything for today's video. Those were the 4 new fragrances from Platinum Perfumes. I should say 3 new and 1 repurchase. Magnetism I have purchased 4 times actually. This is my 4th bottle, and I will keep buying. So yeah, you know that the craze is real. So yeah, that completes today's video. If you have any specific Platinum Perfume fragrance that you want me to review before you buy it, you want me to experience it, let me know in the comments section, and I will make an order and I will make that video for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the content, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.